Is coming. Let's put our hands together for His Excellency William Ruto, President, Republic of Kenya.
The multiplicity of the words deliberate that you are undertaking, interventions that are deliberately targeted in order to achieve certain results. Thank you. Nothing.
Then, Deputy Prime Minister, the Federal Republic, President, Democratic Republic of Sao Tome and Principe, Republic of Benin, Your Excellency Dome of Eswatini, Your Excellency Amza Abdi. I'm honored to welcome you all to the Africa Human Capacities Ambassadors, High Commissioners, heads of international organizations accredited to Tanzania, distinguished delegates, members of the press, Republic of Congo, Egypt, Gabon, Ghana, Ivory Coast, Libya, Namibia, Nigeria, Rwanda, Seychelles, South Africa, Vice President, Human Development at the World Bank. I would also like to recognize the presence of